Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the inside of a CD-DVD-ROM drive. We'll look at its main parts, learn what each component does, and answer one of the most common questions. Does a CD-DVD-ROM contain gold? If yes, where is the gold located? Let's get started. First, let's talk about the PCB, or printed circuit board. This is the main electronic board inside the drive. It controls all the functions of the CD-DVD-ROM and connects every electronic component together. On this board, you'll find several integrated circuits, or ICs, along with resistors, capacitors, and other electronic components. Some of these ICs may contain extremely fine gold bond wires inside the chip package. These wires are microscopic and are used to connect the silicon chip to its pins. However, the amount of gold is very small. Next, we have the main controller IC. This is the brain of the drive. It processes commands from the computer, controls data transfer, manages the laser system, and coordinates the motors. Older ICs were more likely to use gold bond wires, while many modern ICs use copper or aluminum instead. Now, let's look at the motor driver IC. This chip controls both the spindle motor and the sled motor. Like the controller chip, it may contain tiny gold bond wires, but only in very small amounts. Moving on to the spindle motor. This motor spins the CD or DVD at high speed, while the laser reads or writes data. Inside the spindle motor, you'll find copper windings, permanent magnets, bearings, and a steel shaft. There is generally no gold inside the motor itself. Next is the sled motor. This small motor moves the laser assembly back and forth across the disc. It also contains copper coils, magnets, gears, and steel components, but no significant amount of gold. Now let's discuss one of the most important parts, the optical pickup unit, also called the laser head. Now let's talk about the SATA connector, or ID connector in older drives. These connectors attach the drive to the computer. In some models, the connector pins are gold-plated to ensure a reliable electrical connection and long-term durability. Inside the drive, you'll also find plastic gears, metal rails, screws, and strong magnets. These parts are essential for the drive's mechanical operation, but contain little or no gold. So where's the gold actually found in a CD-DVD-ROM? The answer is simple, tiny gold bond wires inside some ICs. Thin gold plating on certain connectors. Very small amounts inside a few electronic components. The total amount of gold in a single CD-DVD-ROM is extremely small, usually only a few milligrams or even less. Because of this, recovering gold from one drive is generally not economically worthwhile. If you're interested in electronic waste recycling, components like older CPUs, RAM modules, server motherboards, and expansion cards usually contain much more recoverable gold than a CD-DVD-ROM drive. Let's quickly summarize the most important parts of a CD-DVD-ROM. Printed circuit board, PCB, main controller IC, motor driver IC, optical pickup unit, spindle motor, sled motor, SATA or ID connector, magnets, gears, and mechanical parts. Each of these components plays an important role in the operation of the drive, but only a few contain very small traces of gold. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new about CD-DVD-ROM drives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more electronics and e-waste recycling content.